Hello, I'm Dr. Colin today here at Brown Chiropractic. I have Dr. Ali here to assist me today to talk about some TMJ dysfunction here in the jaw. So the TMJ, located right here just in front of the ear, right here, kind of feels like a little bit of a bump, and you just fall right off, and right below that bump is the joint. So to assess for TMJ, what I'll have my hands here do is be right on the side of Dr. Ali's jawline here. And what I'll have her do is I'll have her slowly open her jaw. In some cases of TMJ, you'll hear some clicking, popping, big contributor to headaches. So Dr. Ali here has a little deviation to the left, with her TMJ is located on the left side here. So kind of you open again, and close, all right. So here at Brown Chiropractic, we can also help with this a lot, and we do a lot of soft tissue work, really get into these like master muscles here around the jaw. In other cases, we also have our nice little adjusting tool here, called the activator. And what this will do is this will actually go on the side of Dr. Ali's jaw. In this case, it'll be her left side. Right here, and just a little click. Hold on. We'll reassess. We'll have Dr. Ali open her jaw again. A little bit better. We'll go one more time. And have you relax your jaw just a little bit there. Right. And check again. And it's much more symmetrical on both sides now. That's pretty much all there is to it.